In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook using Canva. If you've ever wanted to share your knowledge, stories, or expertise in a digital format, but felt overwhelmed by the design process, Canva is here to simplify things for you. With its user-friendly interface, creating a professional-looking ebook has never been easier. So, let's dive right in and get started on crafting your very own ebook. First things first, you'll need to log into Canva. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and free. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in ebook to explore the myriad templates Canva has to offer. Canva provides a diverse range of pre-designed templates, making it simple for you to find something that aligns with your vision and content. Once you've selected a template that catches your eye, click on it, and you'll be taken to the design editor. Here, you can customize your ebook to suit your needs. Start by clicking on the text to edit the existing content. This is where you can add your own title, subtitle, and any preliminary information you want to include on the cover page. Now, let's focus on the inside pages. You can add new pages by clicking on the Add a New Page button, which is located in the lower section of the design editor. This is an important step as it allows you to organize your content in chapters or sections, which makes for a more engaging and professional-looking ebook. As you add content, you can adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to keep your ebook visually consistent and to make sure it resonates with your readers. A great ebook isn't just about text. It's also about the visuals. Canva makes it easy for you to include images, charts, or graphics. Simply use the Elements section on the left side of the editor to incorporate additional creative elements. Here, you can either upload your own images or search through Canva's extensive library to find the perfect visuals for your book. Let's not forget about the finishing touches. Once your content is in place and you've added your visuals, take the time to proofread everything. It's crucial to ensure there are no spelling, grammar, or formatting errors in your final product. You may also want to preview your ebook by clicking on the Present button to see how the pages flow from one to the next. When you're satisfied with the final version, it's time to download your ebook. Head to the Download button at the top right corner of the screen and choose your file format. PDFs are the most common choice for ebooks, given their compatibility with multiple devices and platforms. Once downloaded, your beautifully designed ebook is ready to be shared with the world. Creating an ebook with Canva really is that simple, and with these steps, you should be able to easily put together a polished and professional-looking book. So, go ahead and let your creativity run wild. Thank you for watching, and happy ebook making!